Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter because we have to open general settings, but I prefer to do it using the photo mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar and tap on this arrow here. Then let's tap on Custom, so this three bars icon in the right lower corner of the available options, and at the bottom we've got the option Reset, so simply tap on it. Your device will ask you whether you want to reset camera settings to the default, so just tap on OK, and we just got back to the camera, and it means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.